see, pepper don't grow. It's almost ready to bear fruits, but I will not be eating the fruits. Those things I did on the wall in my kids' room, man, I'll miss this house. Nothing like home. Hi guys, good afternoon. So today is officially the last day. My phone is ringing. Let me go and see who is calling me. So guys, today is excuse me. So you guys, today is officially the last day of me living in this house. Home sweet home. Man, I'll miss this house. This is the last day of living in this house. We are moving out due to some personal reasons. So yeah, and you can see everywhere is so rough. We've moved some things. See, everywhere is so rough. But later, we are coming to take the rest things out, and yeah, everywhere in the living room. See. So today is officially my last day in this house. Officially the last day, and I'm going to miss my kids' room. This thing I did on the wall, I'm going to miss that. I'm going to miss it. Again, sleeping. Those things I did on the wall in my kids' room and my kitchen. Let me show you guys. I'm going to miss this kitchen. Let me show you guys looking, because I'm not sure I'm stepping my foot in this house again. If we are coming just to pick one or two things and we are not going to spend the night. So yeah, let me show you how my kitchen is fully for the last time. So, from this side, this is the view of this kitchen, and this is the last day in this kitchen. So I'm coming to take these things much later, but yeah, this is how everything is, and this is the dining. God, I'll miss this house, but we have to go. And yeah, my living room, miss everything. We've already arranged some things outside. See, already arranged some things, while we've already took some to the location. What is this girl doing there now? Before you go use bottle to enjoy yourself, I'll go attend to you. So yeah, we already took some of the things to the new location. So God, I'm going to miss my house. I'm going to miss it. So you guys, yeah, I'm going to miss this inside the house, not the environment. Just this my house. That's what I'm going to miss. But it's just for the good, it's just for our good. Yeah. So this is the overall view of this home. I'll miss you, but we have to do what we have to do. So I'm going to see you in my new location. I just feel I should give you guys updates on my new location, or my evacuating or leaving this house. I just feel I should let you guys know that you will not be seeing me in this building, in this aesthetic. So you will not be seeing me in this house any moment from now. Doing my videos, it's going to be in a totally different space. So yeah, so you guys, this is my look for today, and yeah, this is it, with these shorts and these t-shirts, just for easy movements, packing and all those things. So yeah, I'm going to miss my house, nothing like home, because for now but for now, personal reasons, but yeah, nothing like home. I'm going to miss this house, miss doing things in this house, miss everything. Anyway, it's for the good, it's for our own good. yeah, it's not as if I'm relocating to abroad. We are still here. I'm still here in Nigeria. Just that I'm locating, as in I'm changing location from this my present location, from this my present environment. All right, so it's not like it's a relocation of to Jackpa out of this country. No, it's still here in Nigeria. Okay, so yeah, my present location is still in this worry. I'm not moving out of Delta States. We are still here. Guys, see my former compound though, because it's not a former compound. So even though you come here, you will not see me here. Here I'm already living. So don't bother coming to look for me here. But I just want to show you guys. Ah God, this is my pepper I plant. I plant this pepper, hoping to harvest it when it bears fruit, but bye-bye, I'm leaving you behind. Bye-bye. Try. Now what? See, pepper don't grow. It's almost ready to bear fruit, but I will not be eating the fruits. I will not be eating the fruits. So guys, so yeah, that is it, and I will see you in my new location, in my new home. I'm going to see you guys there. Let me show you the back. Try my Starlink. I'm going to miss you. Yeah, bye. We are going to come back to carry the rest things, though not like we are going to leave those things here forever. We are definitely coming back to pick them, but for now it's a goodbye to this my humble abode. So you guys, I've turned off the lights for this kitchen, and I've also turned off the lights for my room. It's so dark now. I've covered everywhere like this, and yeah, I've turned it off. With this other room, I've turned off the lights, so it's so dark, and I'm going to turn off this light now. Yeah, this is Big Brother house. So mirror is still here. I'm just going to close the windows and then carry my baby, and yeah, off we go. So it's for me to close the windows in the bathroom here, and I'm going to turn off the lights in the room, and yeah, off we go. These things are still here because we are definitely coming back to take them, but for now very important for us to leave. So yeah, this is your whole view of my kids' room. I'm going to miss this house, so let me just turn off the lights here and move. So I've picked up my daughter. It's just time to off the lights now. Mom, Big Brother house. The light is turned off, so I'm going to turn off the lights in the sitting room. That is the last light. So yeah, let me close the windows. Okay, I've done that here, and check the other one. Okay. So I've done that here too. Close the windows, and okay. So I'm going to turn off the lights now. I'm going to turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Oh God, Big Brother house is over. Big Brother house just ended. This is Big Brother house. I've turned off the lights for that dining. So this is the last light I'm turning off. Emotional moment for me. Good. So this house is a bye-bye for you. Oh, yeah. Okay. Bye, house. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye. Everywhere is so dark now. So it's a bye. It's a goodbye. Goodbye.